I went over to the Seekonk River this morning. I watched a great blue heron fly across the river. Another one landed in a tree right on the shoreline on our side of the river. I watched an osprey flying and managed to get zoomed in on it a little, and I lost it only when it dove for the fish. I don't know if it caught it or not. Back to the great blue heron on the riverbank. It's not a great picture, so I can't really tell what kind of sandpiper it is, but it's one of the larger sandpipers. And it hangs out there, and then it runs down the log, and I lose it and call it a day.